Hey guys, what's up? This is my 1984 Volkswagen T3 single cab that I just purchased yesterday night. It hasn't run for a while, so the condition of the engine is pretty unknown. It wouldn't even start to begin with, but it's a manual 4-speed 1.6 liter diesel engine. It has some tiny rust holes, which I show you just in a minute. It's in fairly good condition for its age, but it's gonna be perfect for a work truck. I have some plans for it in the near future. So the filler neck is pretty rusted, but it's not that difficult to fix. Little rust spot here. And on the fenders, this side has some rust spots too, which are not that critical. It can easily be fixed. Over here, but other than that, it's pretty good. On the driver's side, it has a rust hole. The interior is pretty much just dirty, and I need to change the driver's seat, of course, but other than that, it's pretty complete. I have the cover for the steering column. I don't know what goes here to cover the fuse box, but we will find out. And also the door stopper is missing, and it has a dent in the door. Not sure how well you can see it, but it's dented quite bad. Also the other side has some dents in it. I'm not sure, maybe I changed those doors, but the point of this build is not to restore it fully, just make it a usable work truck. Maybe put a different engine in it with some more horsepower, some suspension upgrade, and brakes. Let's check out the engine bay. I need to put a battery inside and check out if it runs. It has coolant in it and some fuel also, so maybe I check the timing before I try to start it, just to be sure. So let me put you on a stand and then we will continue. let's go to the front and check if we got power, ignition. Oh, we got lights, and there is some fuel. So let's crank it over and check. Okay, it sounds like there is not much compression. Now we got to check a few things. So I think maybe it got some broken valves or a ripped timing belt. So let's close this lid and we will open that one to have a better look. Oh, it's pretty nasty. There's fuel in it, but it doesn't seem to turn that hard. So let me take the cover off and check how the belt looks. So the belt looks pretty alright. There's no damage on it. Maybe just the timing is off. The guy who sold it to me said they tried it to tow start it, but it didn't start it. Maybe they jammed it up or skipped the teeth. I don't know. I think I should take off the air cleaner over there and maybe the valve cover and check for if it's timed correctly, but that doesn't explain why there's no compression. So we will see. It has fuel, I see smoke, and I smell diesel fuel. So let me pop the cover off and check what's inside. Zip ties for the VIN. Not sure what we will see, but we will find it out right now. pretty clean to me. I have seen worse, but not sure. Let me just turn it over, crank it over, and check what it's doing. Looks pretty okay to me. Now I will turn it over where the slot on the camshaft is aligned with the surface of the head. Like so, almost like so. Let me grab some tools and I'm right back. So I check the timing. Yeah, here the sweet as homemade tool, which you can insert in the wheel, in the timing wheel. That locks the pump. We have a marking in there. There is a groove and the point. And there goes my 30mm. Let me grab it. But anyhow, so if you check here, there is a groove in the back side of the camshaft, and you can put in a tool or a spanner that needs to be flat on this surface of the head. So the timing is correct, or maybe 180 degrees off by the pump, I'm not sure. Let me correct this 70mm open, these fuel lines, and turn it over if anything comes out of them. And also let me check the spark plugs, not spark plugs, glow plugs, 4 of them, and we will see how it goes. If nothing else, we need to pop the head and look what's inside. Maybe some broken pistons or blown piston rings, I'm not sure. So I wanted to check this, not spark plugs, the glow plugs, if they do anything. It's pretty weak. I think they might be broken. Yeah, a few of them at least. So let's crack these open and check if anything comes out of there. Just a half turn or so should be enough to see if any fuel comes out of there. So, and now try to start. There's definitely fuel coming out of these, so that's not our issue. So the next best thing to test out is look for the compression, if it has any, and after that we need to take off the head and look for any damage. just wanted to be sure that I fixed nothing. So the next step is to take apart the timing, check again if it's assembled alright, and if not, we need to take down the head.